Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am here with the Strawberryface, so Strawberry Lime Designs and Plannerface Advent Calendar. I am going to be unboxing this day by day, but obviously it's all going to be compiled into one video for you. So this is how it came, with this hello, thank you for purchasing, and on a journaling card from Beth and Anna. So I'm just going to pile it up, and it's actually the 14th today. It is the 14th, isn't it? So I will be opening 2 days in this first section of video. So let's open up day one. I did get this in the premium matte because that is my preferred paper type. Ooh. So day one is these. These are marble samplers, and they are, there's one with silver accents, one with rose gold, it's quite a pinky rose gold, and one with gold accents, so they'll be great for pulling into spreads. So that is day one. I'm just going to pop that off to one side. Then day two, last year I'm pretty sure they switched between which was from Strawberry Lime Designs and which was from Plannerface, so I'm kind of expecting this one to be Strawberry Lime Designs. Oh, okay. So these are something I've not seen from Strawberry Lime Designs before. I don't know if she's recently released them, but they're like marshmallows, I think. Character stickers. So there's some Bilju's, there's some watching on the phone on that one. I feel like I should zoom in a little bit for this. So that's the Bilju's and watching on the phone. Sleeping, and he's got chocolate on him, and face masks. Got hair washing and working out at the gym. I love all the like different bits of food on top of him. And we've got driving and having a pillow fight by the looks of it. So that's day two. So that is what I've got for this part of the video, and I will be back tomorrow with part 3. Sorry about the wobbling again. So I am back with day 3. So that's this envelope here. So I'm expecting a Plannerface thing, and oh, sorry, but wow, that is pretty. So it looks like a mini kit. So this looks like a deluxe mini kit with glitter headers, so it will be the old format, and it's called Daisy, and it's a Plannerface mini kit. So you get, on this page you get like 2 small boxes, your washi boxes, a small ombre heart checkbox and things. You get some deco, this is the add-on sheet, date covers, weekend banner, some more boxes, some more washi, and then the third sheet you get 2 full boxes, 2 full boxes, some checklists, some functionals and stuff. Then the reason I think it's an old format is because you get glitter headers rather than a glitter add-on, sorry about that. And then we have 4 extra girl full boxes as well. So actually there's enough full boxes for that to be more than a full kit, because you get 6 in the mini kit and then you've got those ones, which makes there be loads. So that's the mini kit for the 3rd. Okay, so I'm a little bit behind, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm going to open the 16th today, and I'm going to carry on opening 1 a day, but I'm not going to be done at Christmas because it's definitely not the 16th today, but we'll see. I've had a really busy week at work. Ooh. So today we have a vinyl die cut. That seems like really good quality. And I think this will be from Beth at Strawberry Lime Designs' shop, but I don't really know. There's nothing to say which shop that one's from. But yeah, that's today's. I could open more today. Shall I open more? Well, actually, I know this is an album, so I might open this. What date is it today? Let's have a look. It's actually the 22nd. So I'm 6 days behind. So let's open 2 today. Why not? Ooh. So obviously we know this one's from Plannerface. Let me open it up properly. So this is one of her teeny tiny albums, and she's put like that hollow overlay that she makes some washi overlays and header overlays in over it, and I believe it's using one of her New Year kits artwork, and that is beautiful. So yeah, it might not be, it might just be similar artwork, but that's stunning. I don't know what I'm going to use it for because I already don't use the 2 I have, but shh, I have more albums than I need. But anyway, that's enough for today. I will be back tomorrow I will be back tomorrow. I'm only on call one day next week, which is Boxing Day, so it might not film that day, but I'm hoping to film every other day this week. Fingers crossed. See you then. So I'm back with day 6 of the advent calendar, and it is the 23rd today, so the day before Christmas Eve. I'm fully expecting this one to be from Strawberry Lime Designs, and it is. So it looks like we've got some pink functionals, so we've got loads of half boxes, loads of square quarter boxes, loads of appointment labels, and habit trackers. And as of course, because I'm getting this in premium matte, they are in premium matte. There is a lot of pinking kits, so they will be super helpful, although pink isn't my favourite colour, and I do just give that little disclaimer. Yeah, so that's there. I don't know whether I've given this disclaimer in the video, but I do PR for Plannerface. My term's up at the end of the year, so actually when you're seeing this, I don't know whether I do or not yet. But I didn't receive a discount on the advent calendar, but I do generally receive a discount at Plannerface for promoting her things. Obviously this is Plannerface and Strawberry Lime Designs, so I didn't receive a discount on this. I paid full price for it. Just, you know, put that out there. But yeah, that's today's item. I'll be back tomorrow with the one for the 19th on Christmas Eve. Okay, so it's Christmas Eve now, and I'm getting ready to go to midnight mass, but first I've got to open day 7. This is more like a countdown to New Year at this point, and I'm expecting this one to be Plannerface. And from the size, I'm wondering whether it's lettering sheets, but we will see. So I was correct. They are lettering, but they are bucket list letterings. So we'll start with the winter. Should we zoom in a little bit? So I'll probably use these throughout 2020, but I haven't decided. I might start them now. So we have, on the winter one, we have stay cozy, bake cookies, put up lights, watch festive movies, build a snowman, make gingerbread, go ice skating, send Christmas cards, drink hot chocolate, shop for gifts, wrap presents, make snow angels, decorate tree, secret Santa, sledging, Christmas party, listen to festive music, eat candy canes, have a bonfire, winter walk, drink mulled wine, pyjama day, and make resolutions. And what I really like about these is most of them aren't like holiday specific, so they'd be suitable if you don't celebrate Christmas or whatever, really. For the spring ones, we have plant flowers, April Fools, read a book, have a tea party, play board games, enjoy the sunshine, pick berries, Easter egg hunt, visit a fair, make a bird feeder, pick wildflowers, jump on a trampoline, declutter, visit the park, do some gardening, feed the birds, jump in puddles, go to the park, listen to the birds sing and find a rainbow. I'm going to need like a million of these stickers, Anna, if you're watching this, because you know how I feel about board games. I've just been playing one with my family on Christmas Eve. On the summer, we've got road trip, grow plants, beach day, have an ice cream, go fishing, water balloon fight, have a barbecue, make a summer playlist. That's so Anna's idea. I mean, they'll all be Anna's idea, but that's so Anna. Go to a theme park, watch the sunrise, go stargazing, watch the sunset, go swimming, mini golf, games night, go to a water park, make lemonade, build a sandcastle, ride a bike, feed the ducks, ride a Ferris wheel, farmer's market, and go to a festival. Then finally on autumn, we have rake leaves, buy sweaters, scary movies, jump in leaves, carve pumpkins, pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin spice, dress up for Halloween, eat candy corn, dress up in costumes, Black Friday shopping, obviously, make candy apples, go apple picking, go camping, I'll probably use that in summer to be honest, go hiking, again probably going to use in summer but we'll see, be thankful, visit a pumpkin patch, collect leaves, visit a haunted house, make s'mores, make a pie, trick-or-treating, decorate house, and harvest festival. So they are today's. I'm just going to zoom back out before this video ends. So you're going to get a bit of wobbly wobbling. I'll be back with you on Christmas Day for day 8. So I am back. It is the 27th today, so I missed Boxing Day and Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I'm expecting this to be from Strawberry Lime Designs, and it looks like it might be a mini kit. We'll see. Yes, I was right, and oh my god, it's stunning. Oh man, I might have just found my second New Year's kit. So, Strawberry Lime Designs mini kits are 3 pages, so this is page 1, so this is 8 full boxes, and then you get a box sheet with 2 washi strips, and then you get your date covers, your functional bits, your flags, and some washi strips, and that is your 3-page kit. It doesn't have glitter headers or anything, but that is stunning, and I'm really liking the simplicity of it, and it might turn out to be my New Year's kit, but we will see. So that's today, and I will be back with you tomorrow. And if I've worked this out properly now, we've got the 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. So it's now a countdown to New Year, and I reckon these 2 are full kits. I don't know what these 2 are. I suspect one of them's functionals, and this one's like little, so maybe scripts or something. I feel like I can see script. Don't know. So yeah, see you tomorrow. So it is now the 28th, and I am opening day 9, which I should have opened on the 21st, and I'm expecting this to be a Plannerface goodie. Ooh. I was correct. So these are her like vinyl headery sparkly overlay things, and then there is a pink glitter header sampler, so they'll be super functional for me. So I'm back with day 10, and I'm expecting this to be something from Strawberry Lime Designs. So let's open her up. I was right, there are scripts from Strawberry Lime Designs, which I'm struggling to get apart. So there are 2 sheets of stickers. There's a planner cart, which makes me think that planner cart die cut earlier was from her. Let's zoom in a tiny bit. So we have the car stickers, so that you get these in 3 colours. There's pink, purple and blue, and then there is like a script for planner conference. So you've got planner conference, planner meet, book hotel, flight, train and road trip, tickets on sale, got my ticket, table gifts, speaker, keynote speaker, make new friends, meet planner friends, speaker, workshop, shopping, swag, raffle, planner stack and planner party. So they're really cute and will definitely be in use for the next countdown to the next plan event. So yeah, so it is the 30th today, so I'm opening day 11 of this calendar now. Oh wow, oh I have no words. So as I've said before, this will be an old format because these were designed before all the new reformat changes. So this is a full kit from Plannerface, so it's called Chloe. Here is the first page, and it is these beautiful florals. I can't even with how stunning this is. So it's the format, it's not got any deco, so it's got 4 extra squared off half boxes there. Oh, but this page is the new format. But there's not a glitter add-on, there's just glitter headers. But this is the newest, most recent format. So you get a payday and a plan next week sticker there. I'm just thinking, is there a... No, there's new releases midweek and full week there. So you only get minimal headers, all the little things still, some extra boxes on this sheet instead. So I much prefer this format of sheets. Ombre heart check boxes and the washi. So we have that stunning kit. So there are glitter headers with it rather than the glitter add-on, which is absolutely fine. I'm just used to the glitter add-on, but I still love glitter headers, and I'm glad she provides those with the kit. So yeah, that's today's, and we've got 1 more day left, so tune in. Well, I mean, it's just gonna be after this, but I was gonna say tune in tomorrow, but I mean, it's only tomorrow for me. See you then. Okay, so I am back with the final day. I didn't manage to do it on New Year's Eve. It is the 4th of January today, so I did well. So let's open this up. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me just open this properly. The reason I always get behind with this is because I'm rubbish at filming every day. So I'm just unsticking these and then we'll flick through the pages. So these are the 4 boxes with a double box scene. I really love these florals. Then we have functional sheets. So you've got your 3-heart checklists. You've got some patterned headers on these 2 sheets. So you get a full set of headers, Monday through Sunday, flags, your box page, which is one of my favourite pages. I love her labels. You got your washi, and this sheet has changed. It's now got 3 extra half. They look bigger than half boxes, but I think they are half boxes on. It's been a while since I bought a Strawberry Lime Designs kit, just because I've been not buying that many kits. You've got your Ombre Heart checklists, and you have your little things and headers. In fact, her kits seem so much better format for me now, if this is her current format. So you've got some icons, some deco, more boxes including 2 third boxes, another load of headers. Do you have 2 full set of patterned headers then? 1 and 4 washi strips. And then you get glitter headers. So that is everything in the advent calendar. I am super pleased with this. So let's zoom out. You're going to get my this is my microphone. So let's just arrange it all so you can see everything. So there we have it. Here is everything you got in the advent calendar. I can't believe how good quality this is. 2 full kits, 2 mini kits, 7 pages of functionals, 5 pages of scripts, 1 page of icons, 4 pages of character stickers, a mini album, a page of overlays, I feel like I missed something, and a page of glitter headers. And then you also get your glitter headers with the kit, the 2 full kits and the 2 mini kits. Definitely with the 2 full kits. I don't remember about the mini kit. I don't remember it having glitter headers. I don't know. It was a while ago. And then you got 4 extra full boxes with the Plannerface mini kit. So absolutely tons to be working with here. These are 2 of my favourite shops for kits and functionals. So yeah, check them out. I do have a code for Plannerface. I didn't use it on this because this was a collab, so I couldn't use my discount or anything on this, so I paid full price for this. Just disclaimer. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Pandora charm jingling. Bye!